This is the DomiWare DM101. It's a 2.41-inch diameter Android standalone smartwatch phone running Android 7.1.1 with all kinds of goodies in it. You have, of course, a complete app drawer with all kinds of stock apps, and you can install your own custom apps from the Google Play Store, including, as shown in the main video on this one, Google Go, which is really good on a smartwatch. You have access to your step count information, your workouts, your distance traveled and calories burned, and of course you have all kinds of workouts that you can call up and play with as well. It's a really sweet 2-button Android smartwatch. It looks great on, and it's in that sweet spot of size that isn't too big and isn't too small, but for a rectangular layout, just right. Check it out, the DM101.